Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Today we are going to continue practicing phonology. Here we go. Open your book to page 37, spelling lesson 3. Okay, instructions. Writing our words. Step number 1. Listen and pronounce. Listen and write. Okay, step number 2. Turn the book upside down, okay, and listen and write. Okay, please pay attention again to the recording. Okay, here we go.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Visors. Visors. Burrows. Burrows. Squeeze. Squeeze. Surface. Surface. Capsule. Capsule. Somersault. Somersault. Overshoes. Overshoes. Astronauts. Astronauts. Oxygen. Oxygen. Hoses. Hoses. Flash. Flash.
Okay, excellent. Now it's your turn to complete this writing part. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Okay, and remember, you can do it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.